My God, are we falling through the cracks too long? Do we see the back of sunset? My God, we got up dancing with the past, but nobody knows. I never wanna be those people. I wanna see the world keep turning round. I never wanna be those people now. We gon' fly to the moon, and my heart a balloon tonight. Yeah, yeah. We gon' sit on the roof, and my heart a balloon tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My God, running in between the cars. Oh no, are we stepping off the sidewalk? My God, chasing tails in the dark where nobody goes. I never wanna be those people. I wanna see the world keep turning round. I never wanna be those people now. We gon' fly to the moon, and my heart a balloon tonight.
Righto, that's a wrap for the Bravo build. I was pretty slack putting together this last video, but yeah, I sold it on and he was pretty happy with it. I've since bought a new project, Toyota Hilux. I'm not going to show too much right now, but I'll drop a rig rundown video and what the plan is with it. But yeah, cheers. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.